Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Mattis Satopio, and today we're back at Disney's Animal Kingdom. The goal is today to go to Rafiki's Planet Watch before they do some major changes there. And I'm going to get into why I think they're going to even change the name in a little bit. Also, my videos do not represent the Walt Disney Company. Okay, let's go. There he is. There's Rafiki. And like I said, this land is Rafiki's Planet Watch. Okay, while I'm here in front of Rafiki, I think it's better now to do it now, what I was hinting at earlier. So, Rafiki's Planet Watch is about to close for a while, like a massive refurbishment on the 22nd, 23rd. I'll put the exact date over here. But it's gonna be closed for a while. And I think there's a deeper reason than what Disney is currently saying. So far the details of what we know are Bluey and Bingo are again the meet and greet here. That's the main thing that they're adding here, right? Just a meet and greet so far, they've said. I think it's deeper than that. If it was just a meet and greet, why would it be closed from now until summer? No, my friends. I think they're gonna retheme this whole area into Bluey. It's gonna be Bluey's Planet Watch soon. You see the statue here? It's probably gonna be a statue of Bluey soon. I don't know anything. I just want to clarify this. I know nothing. This is pure speculation on my part. So this is just a guess. This is just an educated guess based on what Disney's done over the years, redeeming. So I think it's gonna become Bluey's Planet Watch. That's my prediction. So Rafiki here is not gonna be here much longer. So if you had the time, go and see him. Unless, of course, I'm posting this on the last day. We'll see what happens. But, yeah, let me fix that. Hair looks crazy. But, yeah, so I think that's what really is going on here. So, I just want to document everything with Rafiki's Planet Watch before, because I heard rumors that they're getting rid of Petting Zoo. Again, I do not know if that's indeed true or not. So, I just want to capture everything just in case, basically. This is a just in case they do redeem it, the Bluey video. Okay, let's continue. There's another Rafiki over here. He's telling us which way to go. Let's follow what he's saying. This is cool.
If you have a cell phone in your pocket, or a laptop, or a computer, or a TV at home, habitat. The great thing though, coltan is completely recyclable. And other glass bottles can be recycled a lot of times, but after a while, it gets to the point where it can't be recycled anymore. Coltan has not found a limit to how many times it can be recycled.
There you go.
So can that help us?
Right. So that you pull the curtain back and you get to see the man behind the curtain. Take a picture.
We hope you had fun. We hope you enjoy the rest of your adventures here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye, everybody. It's not eating here. Trying to get sick.
Yeah, like
Wow, look at the stick insect next to the actual sticks. It's cool. Just met Timon over there. On my way out, might as well take a look at the cockroaches down there. Cool. Wow. I did not know they have Komodo dragons here in Animal Kingdom. That is awesome. Wow. That's insane. Hey, Joe. What's up? He needs a break. What's up? Ah, you're chill, huh? You're just chilling here. Oh, dang. Wow. Goodbye, Rafiki. Hopefully it's still here, but just in case you're not, it was a pleasure knowing you.
Maybe I'm just a bigger guy, so I slide around a little.
Finally going to Gorilla Falls to see my El Capi. So let's do it. There's your copy right over there. Funny. Look at that. Alright. That's so cool.
Either as a free one on
Yes.
iTunes or
There it is.
and I just grabbed it.
So cool. So, Everest went down again. Maybe another day. Maybe another day. The Yeti keeps wanting to break the tracks. That's what it is. It's the broken tracks, I'm telling you. It keeps, yeah, that's what it is. So, we'll do it another day. I just want to see what remains of Dino Land. I don't think there's anything that remains, but let's go see what there is to see real quick, and then I'm probably gonna head out. So, that's that. Let's see what happens. Wow. This is where you entered when there was like construction walls all over the place. You used to go around this corner and go in this way. Now you can't. Wow. Weird. Dino Land's officially extinct. Tropical America's reign supreme. Interesting. The trilobite sign is gone. And there's an even bigger sign that's gone. No Dino Land USA archway. It's officially gone, everybody. No Dino Land. There are squirrels still. Just no dinosaurs. Squirrels are built to see the dinosaurs. Well, that's pretty much it for Disney's Animal Kingdom today. We did Rafiki's Planet Watch, Sadio Copy, sat in the seat of Everest, didn't get on Everest sadly, and saw the remnants of Dino Land. That's a pretty successful day if you ask me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Goodbye everyone.